what could we possibly be up to today? I'll show you. Oh, windy. Today we are working on this. Just doing some maintenance. He's like, are you talking to yourself? Hey, come here. Come here. Don't be barking at me. You just saw me. A little toothy. Anyways, we're doing an oil change. We're going to be doing the hydraulic fluid on it. Draining the tank and then just filling it with some fresh stuff. But we're waiting on the hydraulic filter. And we got to get some fluid for that. Also waiting on the fuel filter as well. That's another thing we were going to get to. We should probably try and get that pre-filter too. That looks a little... It looks... Yeah, the screen's clean. We could probably leave it alone, but I thought I saw a piece of trash in there. But we'll get to that one. We also got to replace the belts. I think this has the original belts in it, so I need to get the AC belt off and go run up to Napa and get a replacement. So let's get this cover off. We can at least replace the alternator belt, and then we get this one off. We'll go run up to Napa and get one. It's pretty soupy out here. All mud. What's that one? That one's a little special. Oh yeah, since we're working on this, gee, that got loose. Let's turn the power off. I thought I had that pretty tight. This one stayed pretty tight. This belt here was actually starting to wear out the alternator pulley because it's so loose. I hope the wind's not getting you guys. It is a little windy up here. Okay. I'm gonna take you out of the rain for a second. Okay, I got the AC belt off. It's a little snug. And you know it needs to be replaced when it's separating. So I'll go run down to Napa to get one of those. Let's see. This AC belt that they gave me will work.
Is it clean enough for you?
Yeah, it'll be good enough. Okay, so this was, yeah, pretty sure it's gonna be our belt. And let's see if the alternator belt fits. I need to... That was a 15mm wrench back there. Okay, let's try this again. Looks like all our belts that we got are gonna work. We'll just need to double check this alternator belt. And I think it's 15mm back here. This is definitely one of those keep your hubs locked, ready to go kind of territory. These belts are just like, nope, we don't want them to come off really. This one's not too bad, but she's original. It's the AC belt. Yep, so the Napa belt we're putting in for the alternator's a 2593.75. Can we use this as a tensioning device? Hell yeah, we can. Oh, you bastard. That'll do. It fits pretty good in there. Okay. And then said that belt was supposed to be a little bit longer. Cool, and then I need to, oh, it's a 15. Nice. Click. So what we'll do is we'll fire this thing up, make sure the belts are all good, let them settle in, and then we'll check for any looseness. Hopefully this one stays tight and that one stays tight, because I don't want to take this bracket off. Probably should just lift it off. Okay. Alright. Suppose I climb up in here. Oh yeah, he did talk about the back window being removed. Let's see. Oh, skid steer, huh? What do we got here? Lights. Auxiliary switches. That's heater. I think he said something about the heat not working right. What have I got to do here? Well, what's going on now? All right, we're gonna change it on. The air filters here. This has got 2 elements. Oof. Let's see there. Just a little dirty. Pre-filter. I got some new Napa ones. That looks like it. Okay, just pushes in there. Okay. Nice. Got some fresh air filters. Yeah, I'm not sure what the starting sequence is on this. I haven't necessarily operated one before, so I don't know if I'm missing something. do the oil change. I'm gonna get you guys down on the ground. We'll get her draining, and then we'll fill it up, and then apparently I don't know how to operate this, so I'm gonna get my buddy to come back and be like, hey, how do you start this thing? Well, I forgot to hit the record button apparently. I can't see worth a damn out here. Damn it, Gunner. There's a hose right here that's disconnected. But we got some foreign material up in here. Wow. This is gonna be the unsafe oil now. I'm gonna have to run back home. I got an upset stomach today. Oh yeah. Okay, I got that snugged up. Okay, I'm not going to pre-fill it because you have to kind of monkey around with this a little bit. She's getting all slippery. Wow. Okay. Yep. Sure. All right, just about quitting time. Okay, we got new air filters. We got fresh oil in. It did take 3 gallons, so I'm glad we bought 3 gallons. Yeah, oil's in, new filter. We got new belts. We got to put the cover on, but I want to run it for a little bit and then check everything. And then new filters. We greased everything up. The only thing we haven't done is the fuel filter, hydraulic filter, and then sucking out the hydraulic tank, which I'm glad we're not doing today because it's been kind of bipolar with the freezing rain and hail and stuff. Shut the door. I figured out what I was doing wrong the first time. I wasn't shutting the door and putting the armrest down. Okay, we just want to make sure that we don't have any oil leaks. That's good, that's good. All right, let's put that cover back on. Getting in here is not ergonomic. Okay, gotta shut the door. This one doesn't have an interlock, but we'll just put that down anyways. Put that down. done that yet. Looks like that's it. So in 500 hours they need to do another oil change. That one had some pretty gnarly oil in it, so. This has 1,200 hours on it. Cover the beans. Okay, so now I can hop up. Oh, we got lights. Cool. Let's check for leaks. Swaps. Just hook a chain to it, you're good to go. Alright, I think that's about it for this video. Next one, we're going to be working on that mule. That's just maintenance. We're doing fluids, filters, typical stuff. This one, I actually want to move it. Well, actually I'll leave that alone, but I do want to check the planetary. The final drive gearboxes, see what kind of what the fluid looks like. That takes I think a 7590 just gear oil. So that'll be something we'll deal with later, but we're gonna do the hydraulic system next. Basically just draining the tank, filling it back up with fresh fluid, and then we're gonna change the filter and then the fuel filter. They got to get that stuff from Cat. I want to run Cat stuff for that for sure, but everything else I think we can get away with. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Check out the links down below and subscribe. Catch you all later.